Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Abbott ID Now molecular tester for the flu and other things, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now this will wipe off all of the users, all of the user access, all of the test results, all of the patient data, everything like that will be wiped off of this device, which is the reason you might want to do this, especially if you're buying a new one, if you're selling this, or anything like that, even if you're getting rid of it. It's very easy to do, but you can only do this with admin access. So the account that is logged in has to be an admin user. And so once you have an admin user, then straight from the home screen, there is the settings setup menu, which you can click on that, and from that there is a factory reset option straight from there, which you will then need to confirm. Once you confirm it, it will wipe everything off of the device and it will be restored to its out-of-the-box factory defaults. No users, no data, nothing stored on it.